this strange piece of alien technology. Ronnie is not about the carburetor. Did you just spill gas out of your carburetor?
I was exhausting.
What are we doing today? We got we've got the good looking truck in here.
You gotta come over here. Right over here.
The one good looking truck that we own.
So look underneath.
Looking underneath. Here we go.
How long has this truck been in here, Bo?
Oh my gosh, are you serious? This truck's been in here like 37 seconds.
Yep.
That's fuel. I can smell that. That's, oh my gosh.
Yeah.
Are you gonna set your garage on fire?
I mean, we might.
What's wrong with it?
So I don't know how it happened, but it has one of these big Holly style fuel pumps. This one's actually a little smaller, but they have like this weep hole, and it's just pouring fuel out of this little weep hole.
What's that for?
I assume when the seal goes bad, it's to let you know if the seal's bad.
Okay.
But why'd the seal go bad? You know what I mean? So this is a 97 gallon per hour pump, and it has a 150 gallon per hour pump on it.
What are those translated to cc's?
I don't know.
Okay.
A lot.
Okay.
But like, to put it in perspective, for 500 horsepower, it only needs 50 gallons per hour.
Okay.
So like, this pump is oversized, and the other pump was 3 times oversized.
Oh wow.
But this was the only pump that I could find where I wouldn't have to buy lines and adapt a bunch of crap. I should be able to just put this one in.
Okay. Awesome.
So that's why I bought it, because it's smaller and it should go in.
So we're doing that, and that's where this fuel's coming from?
That's where the fuel's coming from. It's coming from the fuel pump, the electric fuel pump.
Does the fuel pump, is it an inline or is it in the tank?
It's in line, just like that. When it goes, it's on the frame rail, like the frame rail's here, and it's bolted up inside the frame rail.
Oh, okay.
The line comes down to it, and then it runs up front.
Well, that makes it pretty easy.
Yeah, it should be easy. And then I have a new throttle cable bracket.
Oh, that's right, because that other bracket was crap.
Yeah,
it wouldn't stay in there.
You see how it's crooked right now?
Yeah.
So the other one actually bolts to the back of the manifold back here.
Oh, okay.
We'll pull these 2 manifold bolts out, and it goes there.
Yeah, this thing won't really stay in here, right?
Yeah, it's all weird. It pulls over and it does weird stuff. When you this nut was a little loose, and when you would floor it, it would actually turn this bracket, giving you like quarter throttle.
Huh. So is there going to be any action in this video?
I mean, I was thinking we might have to go test out the fuel pump when we're done.
Yeah, dude.
See, I mean, it'll smoke the tires or something.
These tires look like they have way too much tread on them. Like is that even legal to have that much tread on your tires and be in this garage?
I mean,
I don't think so.
You look at Bo's tires, you look at those tires. Those are like brand new.
Yeah, right on.
And these ones are definitely newer. So yeah, let's get started.
Let's get to work.
I think we'll do the top first, that way we can let this dry off.
Yeah, right on. Oh, there comes our helper.
What's up, buddy?
Hi.
Hi.
Do all these go on here?
No, just 2 of them.
Just 2 of them?
Yeah, one for the transmission and one for the throttle cable.
It looks real nice. Where'd you get them?
From Summit.
Oh.
I tried to order it off Amazon, and twice it came in as a clutch cable. Yeah.
Nice.
Or not a clutch cable, a choke cable.
Dude, Levi. Hey, when I say dude, I'm talking to you. I'm trying to shoot some video over here. My goodness.
That's the storm.
Oh, it was the storm making all that noise?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
That's what it's doing.
I assume those are slotted because they're adjustable?
Yep.
Nice.
For your cable. But I gotta get this, I gotta take this off. I just realized because this doesn't have a nick in it. So you can slide the cable through.
Oh, yeah, that makes sense.
So, I gotta put it on the cable first.
Why don't you just make a nick in it? I mean, we have some tools.
I know, but we can just do it.
Okay. It's a really clean engine bay. Wish all my engine bays were like this.
It would be nice, huh?
Yeah. We could be crimping on connectors and whatnot.
Yeah, I guess
Butt connectors or whatever.
I guess we should.
Uh-oh. Ronnie just cussed. What does that mean?
I don't know. We gotta figure out which wire's which. I mean, I assume, hopefully
will be
this
ground,
is
right?
ground.
Right, ground, right?
I hope.
I mean, I hope these people have their heads screwed on, right?
You never know with China.
Hello, fuel pump.
It's a mess.
Wow, it's like dripping all over the place.
Yep. I'm gonna get a pigment, throw it under here.
Mind if I smoke?
If you want. I don't know if it's a good idea.
So, I'm over here being Ronnie's gopher, being his tool bitch, basically. And he was telling me, I thought because we were working on the Chevy that we'd be using, standard tools. But he was telling me that AN fittings are all metric.
It's an 18.
Did I get you an 18?
No, you got me 17.
Oh, it is an 18, is what you're saying. I was about to say, I'm a terrible gopher.
I'm a terrible teller.
Let's see here. There is an 18.
Every wrench is out of the drawer.
So Ronnie was telling me that AN stands for Army and Navy, and the military uses all metric. So AN fittings are all metric. I did not know that. And as expected, Lucky could care less. Excuse me. He couldn't care less.
Isn't that the dumbest saying?
What?
The stupidest saying.
What is?
I could care less.
Yeah,
Because that means you care.
Right.
I hate
I guess correct. It's I couldn't care less. You couldn't care less, could you, Lucky? Nope. Could not care less. Well, this can't be good.
Straight in the tank. It's not that tank. I just don't want to take a bath in it. Trying to hustle.
Let's take a look here.
A little bit.
Wow. Oh wow. This is really safe. So we rejoined Ronnie with a clean, dry shirt, non-flammable shirt.
We're good again.
What are you doing now? Oh, taping the AN fittings.
Taping the fittings.
Nice. God, new parts are so nice looking. Love new parts. Like I assumed this part was like nice looking when it was new. It just looks dated. I can't imagine it's terribly old though, right?
No. As far as I know, the truck's built only like 3, 4, maybe 5 years old.
Oh, really? Dang, dude. We're gonna have to totally set all this pig mat on fire. So, we had to roll the truck out of the garage. I think Ronnie was about to pass out underneath it, working on it with all this fuel right there. So, what's up?
When you were little, you like one of these?
Yes, those are really cool. Angry Birds Hot Wheels. So dope. Unfortunately, we have less room out here. It's a little squished. Hey, look. We have a lift. We just haven't put it up yet. We got to do some concrete work and whatnot.
Yeah.
It'll be on the channel.
What
Hey,
is
what's
that
up?
Screwdriver.
Over there.
I need it.
Okay, now that I'm on the ground, I'll get back up and walk in there and grab the screwdriver. Here's my face. If anybody was wondering, check this out. Boom. I got that bullet cut out of my head. Had my girlfriend cut it out for me.
Can you just bring all those wrenches on the ground?
Yes, I can bring all these wrenches on the ground.
I forgot which one was the right side.
I'll bring everything. Nice.
Thank you.
Here's your toolkit.
Thanks for bringing my toolbox. Gotta grab some tools.
Some tools, some more tools?
Yeah.
Dang, dude.
Gotta get wire tools.
All right. I want to see a burnout. Daggone. Hurry up. Ronnie, you can't just start talking before I get the camera rolling. That's not how this works.
I was talking to get the camera rolling.
Whatever.
Because you were on Facebook.
Just say, roll that beautiful bean footage.
I think it's all good. We're gonna turn it on and see if we have a leak and see if we got any fuel pressure.
Oh, so basically, fire or no fire.
Yeah.
If there's no fire, we might do a tire fire.
Let's see.
Should I be standing here leaning over the hood while we crank it up, or leaning over the engine bay?
Vacuum pump.
That is. Is that what that is?
Yeah.
Interesting.
I mean, that's the impression.
Is that an old thing? Vacuum pumps and whatnot?
It's a big cam thing.
Oh.
All right.
Gotcha.
Now I gotta hook up the fire wire.
See if we got any leaks.
Oh, you turn.
I don't see any leaks.
Yeah, it looks good.
Yep.
Looks good. So turn everything off. And
what are you
then,
doing?
We gotta hook up the HEI,
Oh, okay. Distributor stuff.
and we should be good.
Cool.
I knocked it off while I was doing this. I forgot.
Nice, okay. Oh, I love that smell, but it does affect your lungs. So what we're trying to say is we got the fuel pump in, we got the throttle cable bracket fixed, and the truck works really well. Like really well. And it looks amazing, like my goodness. Easy, right?
Yeah. It lights them up so like right now. Just give us a guess.
Dope. Well, that's it. We fixed the truck.
Longest 11s I've ever made.
What's that?
These are probably the longest 11s I've ever made.
Dude, those are freaking long, dude. Like I was saying, we fixed the truck, we made the burnout marks, and we're going. We'll see y'all later.
Bye guys.